Hello, football lovers. I greet you all. If it's your first time here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting the subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. And please rewrite your thoughts on the comment section. So I already just updated you today that Kaizer Chiefs will win a treble if they sign Fiston Maele, Kevin Hunt said. Kevin Hunt feels Fiston Maele can score around 30 goals if he signs for Kaizer Chiefs or any of the big teams in the PSL. Speaking to Peter Duclos on Soccer Beats, Kevin Hunt left the Buccaneers gave the match away after leading twice in the second leg. It would have been fantastic to have two teams. I thought the Pyramid that played Orlando Pirates last week at FNB was the better team, to be honest. I was really impressed with them, he said. Yeah, I agree with you, Peter. When you were in that situation, they were 2-1 up. Even when it was 2-2, they stayed strength. But obviously they lost it at 3-2. I think the defense and the goalkeeper were Pirates lost. If they lost to get to next level, they need to improve. They have been considering set piece for a while now. Speaking about Maele, Kevin Hunt felt only two teams could afford the striker, but felt he could Kaizer Chiefs sign for the Soweto games. In the PSL, I think he can be any 30-goal striker. I really do. I think he make goals on his own by just movement, strength and power. If he signs for Kaizer Chiefs, they win a treble, he said. There are two teams in PSL that can afford him, Kevin Hunt said. In the past years, Kaizer Chiefs have been linked to Fiston Maele, with only a year left in his contract. It might be the perfect time to buy the condolence star, given Pyramids will to sell. How many goals will Fiston Maele score in the PSL if he can play? So, if you are new here on this channel, make sure you don't leave without hitting the subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. And please rewrite your thoughts on the comment section.